Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today I am doing the final challenge prompt for this month, those words being Dusk Sky. This should be pretty interesting with these materials, so let's get into this painting. So having the words Dusk Sky, I sat around for a little while trying to figure out what I really wanted to make. I didn't know if I wanted to just make a pretty sky or have something with more of a subject with the sky as a setting. I finally came up with this idea of a tree next to a stream. With the stream I could really accent the sky well, and the tree would add a good focal point for the eyes to start. But I will let you guys enjoy this and I will see you guys at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it, our completed piece using the word Dusk Sky. I really like the way that this turned out, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, make sure to check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. Also, if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!